get into the mood with a little dose of Prada. A little dose of Prada. Paradox. Oh, yeah. Woo! Cheeky. Lovely stuff. I'm ready. It's been a while. It's been a while. Can I remember what it is I do? Hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-daisy day today. Today, I've got an exciting unboxing for you. Please hold. I have an exciting unboxing for you. It is limited edition. It's Prada. It was only available in Germany, and I've got one. And in order to show you what it is, I'm going to need this soft cleaning cloth. I am wearing my Prada Paradox. I bought this with the lion in Harrods a little while ago, and while I was there I was looking for something. I was looking for something that I had seen that very morning, or the day before, on my friend Mary Lumi Level Up's channel, when she was talking about this wonderful Prada set, and it was just, oh, I needed it. Couldn't find it anywhere. Selfridges didn't have it, Harrods didn't have it, online didn't have it. It was only available from one place. That place was Douglas. It is a department store in Germany. So how did I get my grubby little paws on it? Well, the lion went hunting. He tapped up some contacts. He has a contact in Germany. He reached out to that contact and said, this might sound a little bit crazy, but my wife really wants this. Can you see if you can get it? Massive shout out to the lion for making dreams come true yet again. And a massive shout out to Julia for facilitating this. It is covered by this bit of cardboard. Hello, Prada. Hello, Prada Triangle. I've been waiting to film this for like 3 weeks. This arrived and then everything went crazy. We have... I'm just throwing things on the floor now. Ah, so excited! I am so excited about... Look at that! Look at how shiny... That's the outside. That's my window. Look at how shiny! Well, don't look over there. It's really, really... Oh, no, it's untidy. Look at how shiny that is. I've got grubby fingerprint fear already. Let's get that cleaning cloth over here. Oh, my word. I'm basically going to have to carry it around in this soft cleaning cloth. Look at it! Look at it. Oh, isn't it fabulous? This is a Prada lipstick gift set. Oh, it really is fingerprinty already. Check out the two-tone on this. Little gold triangle plaque, just like on the mirror I got with the perfume as a little freebie. Except this is the other way round. So on the mirror, the gold trim is round the outside. If you're new to my channel, then hiya! I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, including things like this Prada monogram clutch, then please don't forget to hit subscribe, ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans, show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's open it. I mean, yeah, I'm going to have to not be precious about this. Alright, so it's a little claspy bit here that opens. And inside, we've got a dislodgement, a beautifully presented lipstick set. Look at that colour. This is very matte finish. So you've got a full-size lipstick in there, in this beautiful, check it out, mixed metals again. In this beautifully presented lipstick bullet, and then you've got another 3 lipsticks in here. I will show them to you, but to be honest, the lipsticks are kind of secondary for me. We have this kind of more neutral colour. I will try and put the colours up on the screen. Oh, an even darker red. That's proper burgundy. That would look great with my burgundy frock from M&S. The final lipstick colour is this red, red, red. Fabulously presented. Who did it first, Prada or Hermes? Lovely stuff. Very, very lovely stuff. I'm going to work out what to do with the lipsticks because I'm not even sure I'm going to use the lipsticks. This is what I was interested in. And we have got a mirror with a little protective film on it. So satisfying, so satisfying. And then the interior is that I can see all the fingerprints on this side, and it's giving me the fear already. This is a lovely kind of, it's almost like a micro suede, except it's not. It's kind of woven, but it feels really soft to the touch. It is in the same green as the little mirror came in, but in this one wouldn't need to carry a little mirror because you've got a massive mirror. This set was the same as the actual lipsticks. So for this Prada set with the one full-size bullet and then 3 refills, this was really truly a freebie. Not like the Dior ones where they charge you for the lipsticks and then charge you a couple of hundred on top for the free gift. This is actually a free gift. I'm just going to give it another little polish. Why are my fingers so grubby? This is not one to use with hand cream. What am I going to use this for? Obviously, this is going to be a handbag for me. I am having a metallics moment. I haven't got my hands on those ballet shoes that were on my birthday wish list, but I'm still looking at them. I just don't know what size I am in them, otherwise I would have ordered them by now. But this will be a handbag for me. This is a beauty gift set box. I'm okay with using beauty gift set box case things, free gifts, as handbags, as long as they don't look too much like they're just a beauty case. And I don't actually like the Louis Vuitton toiletry, like 26 pouches, even with conversion kits or anything like that. I don't like the look of those being used as handbags. To me, they look like toiletry pouches. This doesn't look like a toiletry pouch. I have this Dior pouch. I don't know what you would call it, but this is, I'm just going to pop that under there, get used to that. This was a makeup gift set from a few years ago. It opens thus and thus, and there you go. It's got a massive mirror in there again, and I just took the palette out. The palette was one of the ones that's got like blush, lipstick, eyeshadow, all of that kind of stuff in it. This, to me, looks like a more than passable evening clutch. And this does too. I don't think... This is very evening-y for me. I wouldn't take this to the pub on a lunchtime, maybe. I don't think I would. I have used this in the evening, and with my new phone and everything, it fits in absolutely perfectly. So I'm happy to use that. I would take that to a party, to like a ball or something like that. I'd be more than happy. This one I would take everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Yes, I am so excited. Look at all of those fingerprints on it already. I'd have to take a cleaning cloth with me. Would I be able to carry a cleaning cloth in here? Well, let's have a look and see what fits. I have got my bag of what has been pretty much recent times, because I've got loads of Lily paperwork in there from the vets. And I have got my usual suspects. I've got my phone. I've got the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. So this is the size of it. It folds down. I've got a dress up your purse little pouch. And in this I have got minimum Rennie's, headache pills, my Dale's Addiction bag holder. Got me favourite Gucci lip balm in colour 02, No More Orchids. Louis Vuitton Ride or Die key clay, not key clay, just clay, pochette clay. And ooh, looky here, my Coach metallic card holder. Birthday prezzy from the bestie and fitting in very nicely with the theme. And something else that will fit with the theme are my Ravel booties, my metallic booties. They're not high shine like these two, but they certainly will go, and I'll show you some mod shots in a moment. But first, let's see what'll fit out of my gubbins. Okay, so first things first, phone. Yes, phone does fit, and you can see that this is quite chunky, so no problem. Tall things, fat things, card holder, could that sit on top? I'm going to say I think it could. Let's hold the phone. I've just realised the Gucci lip balm is in a similar green. I'm loving green at the moment. Okay, so I'm trying to work out the best way of doing this because it is an awkward shape. Oh, it seems a shame not to use the metallic card holder with the metallic bag, but could just take a card out. Could just have everything loose in there. Would my Gucci sunnies fit in here? So that's my Gucci sunnies, height-wise, in the pouch. That closes, no problem. So there is scope to have deeper things in here. So this is my dress up your purse pouch. And lippies. Absolutely no problem. No problem with that. In reality, with a bag like this, I would probably have everything loose. As long as you're okay being careful, taking things out of here, then I don't see it being a problem. Car key does fit in there. Does car key fit in like that? Nope, not quite. And obviously a credit card or something. So I've got enough stuff in there to go out for dinner with the Lion or go to the pub for lunch with the Lion. It's so fingerprinty. It is so fingerprinty. I'm just going to have to live with that. But this is also a good test for me because I really wanted that Jacquemus high shine. And that's nearly, what was that, like £800 or something like that. So it's a bigger investment for something that might annoy me. Very pleasing, very happy, totally grateful to the Lion and to Julia for getting this to me. Yeah, it's a shame that this wasn't available everywhere. Why was it only available in Germany? This is a brilliant piece. I kind of feel like Prada was, you know, missed a trick on this. This would have been hugely popular. Absolutely, absolutely delighted to have this. I am going to go and continue polishing this. Oh, mod shots. So my mixed metal earrings, my big gold chunky chain, the rest of my jewellery is just white gold and diamonds because I love the bling. I'm wearing my Phase 8 denim chambray jumpsuit that I absolutely love. There is the clutch. Yep. Oh, yep. Yep, she's working it. She's working the mixed metals. And then, of course, my heels, my metallic Ravel heels. Right up against the wall. Here we go. I'm so excited. So I'm going to say a massive thank you to Mary of Lumi Level Up for letting me know this thing even existed, because it's fabulous and I love it. Thank you again to the Lion and to Julia for getting it into my, what turns out to be very grubby little paws. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me know in the comment section down below, have you come across this? Did you start looking for this when you watched Mary's video on it? I will have that linked down below as well. Did you get your hands on it? Do you love it? What do you think of Prada lipsticks? Just anything you want to say down in the comment section down below. I do hope you've enjoyed this overexcited, giddy, all over the shop video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!